Tired of digging through piles of paperwork just to find out the status of your PNB MetLife insurance policy? Well, worrying no more, because in this video, we're going to show you the quickest and easiest ways to check your PNB MetLife policy status. First, let's head to the PNB MetLife website. You can find the link in the description below. Once you're on the website, look for the Customer Login or My Account section. You'll need to enter your registered username and password here. If you haven't registered yet, click on the New User Registration or Register Now option. You'll typically need your policy number and some personal information for this. After logging in, you should be directed to your account dashboard. Here, you'll find a summary of your policy details, including the current status, premium due dates, and policy benefits. The policy status will be displayed clearly, usually with terms like active, in force, or lapsed. If you're unable to access the online portal, don't worry. You can also check your policy status by contacting PNB MetLife customer service. Their phone number and email address are available on their website. When you call or email, have your policy number and personal details handy for verification. A customer service representative will be able to provide you with the latest updates on your policy status. Be prepared to answer a few security questions to confirm your identity. And that's it. With these simple steps, you can easily stay informed about your PNB MetLife policy. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more helpful insurance tips.